Alright, so we're going to be talking about the digestive pathway and how the food travels from the mouth all the way out through the anus. So, the food is first digested in the mouth and it's broken up there by both chemical digestion and mechanical. Mechanical being the teeth, it grinds up the food, and then your salivary glands also break up the food more. And from there, it'll travel to the esophagus, where it heads down the esophagus and into the stomach. And there's a little valve-like structure called the gastroesophageal sphincter, and that allows it to food not to re-enter into the esophagus once it's in the stomach. And once in the stomach, that food is now digested more, and as the muscles are banging around on the walls, and it breaks that food down along with the digestive juices that are in the stomach. And then once it exits the stomach through the pyloric sphincter, so you have the liver that makes bile and is stored in the gallbladder. That is also used for further breakdown of that, which is now called bolus. And then you also have pancreatic juices that help neutralize the pH, so it's not so acidic. And then once it gets out of the stomach, it enters the intestine. There's three parts to the small intestine. The three parts are the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. And in the small intestine, this is where most of the nutrients are absorbed, and it's all possible because of its structure. They have microvilli, which allows for greater surface area and allows for that absorption of those nutrients. Now, once it gets through the small intestine, it heads to the large intestine, and this is where it's now considered your waste, whatever's left that was not used up and is not nutrient at all. Exits out through the colon and the anus, and it's now feces.